Hello friends, welcome back to my class, and today's topic is composition of concurrent force by resolution method. Okay, so before going to that, please see my previous video which is resultant of forces. Okay, and if at all you haven't seen it, please, I have another paper. So you should remember this one. In this I have clearly taught what is Fx and what is Fy, or what is horizontal force and what is vertical force. Please go back to my previous video and please look at it and understand it, because see, this concept is very important in this engineering mechanics. Okay, unless you understand the concept, you could not grow. See, this finding resolution, there will be no direct questions in your exam, find Fx, Fy, but there will be no questions without doing this one. So you cannot solve any problem unless you know what is this Fx and what is this Fy. Okay, so let us go back to today's topic, that is composition of concurrent force by method of resolution. Now imagine a small concept. I think you remember my concept which I told you about eraser or duster. So please go back to my video again and again, I am saying, because it's very important. Unless you know the basic, you cannot do it. So this is my axis, x axis, y axis. This is also, we can say negative x and we can say negative y. Okay, so if at all you see my previous video, I gave an example of a duster lying on a table, or I have asked you to do the same thing with a eraser lying on your maybe book. So what I have told you, if you push or pull in certain x direction, it will move only in x direction. There will be no resultant of that, because that is the resultant. If you pull in y, the resultant or the force will be in y direction. That means there will be, we need not resolve it. It itself is a resultant. But when you pull or push with certain angle, you should find resultant. Okay, means then you should resolve it. When you are pulling or pushing with certain angle, then you have to resolve the forces. Now see here, imagine there is a force P1, there is another force P2, okay, there is another force P3, there is another force P4. Okay, now since they are acting with some angle theta, the effect of these forces P1, P2, P3 and P4, effect of force P1, effect of force P2, effect of force P3, effect of force P4 will be partially in x direction and partially in y direction. Similarly, this one, it will be partially in x direction and partially in y direction. Similar this one. P3y, P3x, and similarly this one, P4y and P4x. Okay, so there will be effect partially on x axis and partially on y axis. So let us see what are the forces acting on x axis. We have P1x plus P2x plus P3x plus P4x. So some of the forces acting on y direction, we have P1y plus P2y plus P3y plus P4 Y. Okay, see that the value of P2, P3, P5, they are negatives. Something are negative. Okay, that's a different concept, but I'll just give you a hint what that concept is. X, Y, X is positive, Y is positive, X is negative, Y is positive, X is negative, Y is negative, X is positive, Y is negative. If at all you want me to make a video on this concept, please comment me, I'll do it. Okay, so in this there are some positive negative, don't see that one now. Okay, now if at all you see this summation of X and Y, my resultant force R will be equal to sum of X direction force plus sum of Y direction force. So the resultant of all these forces can be written as R is equals to root of sum of X square plus sum of Y square. Okay, sum of X square and sum of Y square. Now I'll just take this small angle here, so it's something like this. Okay, I mean it means that the resultant, our aim is to find resultant. Means what? If this is my sum of X and this is my sum of Y, then this will be my resultant. This will be my resultant R. This will be my resultant R. This is my theta. This is my theta. This is my summation of X. Okay, this is my R and this is my summation of Y. Now I want tan theta. Tan theta is what? We know that it's opposite by adjacent. So sigma Y by sigma X. That's my tan theta. So if at all you want to find this theta, the formula for that is tan theta is equals to summation of Y by summation of X, or you can say that theta is equals to tan inverse sigma Y by sigma S. Okay, any doubt? Please let me know. See, this is very important concept. You cannot move forward in engineering mechanics or any other civil subjects related to design or mechanical without this concept. So please remember what is the value of R and how to find R. Along with that, how to find angle theta. Please, if at all, you can take a snapshot of this and see that you have no doubt, but still if doubt is there, please let me know in the comment, and please do like and subscribe my channel so that you could support me. Unless you all support me, I cannot go with boats. Thank you.